Jesus llega na porta, ta llega momento pa abo abrir porta pe. Ore missionário não llega se acabou, o abo abrir porta, pa soportar uma palavra bonita, nanda trece pavo, cu Deus a trece. E saki te missionário não cutana corso ediana aqui e não aduna informação para nós kiko precis na viagem na isla de Corso.
Well, this week on Thursday evening at 7:30 at Center of Hope in Salina, we'll be talking about living in a sexualized culture, speaking to the youth about sex. And then on Saturday morning at Center of Hope, from 9 o'clock till noon, I'll be talking about marriage and conflict in marriage and the principles in marriage, and also Saturday evening.
And, excuse me, what time it will be, sir?
It'll be Thursday evening at 7:30, and Saturday morning at 9 o'clock in the morning, and Saturday night at 7.
Okay, we also have Mr. Franco Wanderson. What can you tell us? Where are you going to be these 3 days for the campaign?
Awesome. We're going to be at River of Living Water, which the address is going to be showing on the screen pretty soon. We're going to be doing a service tonight at 7:30. We're going to have some of the students giving their testimonies. We actually have somebody that's preaching a great message. I believe God is going to impact many lives. On Friday, we have a youth rally, which we're inviting all the young kids from the island to come and check us out. We have worship. Christ for the Nations Worship is going to be leading worship. We also going to have great testimonies. We have some great people that are sharing their testimonies in the island. And last week we did the same thing, and a lot of people were impacted. So Friday at 7:30 and also 9:30 on Sunday morning. We're looking forward to see you guys there with us.
Can you invite everyone from Curacao to be present?
Please, I mean, it's a must. We want to invite everyone that's watching the TV show, the news tonight. If you're watching this interview, please come and see us. I believe God has a special blessing for your life.